Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. We're starting off today doing some preparation for installing our septic tank system. Right now behind me we have our neighbor here. We had asked him if he could help us cut down this hackberry tree because it's in line of where our septic tank needs to go. And he said, I can do one better, bring over an excavator and push it down. So right now he's working on getting that hackberry down. We also have this maple tree. It took a lot of damage during the tornado, and this was also the tree that all the stink bugs gather on, and they were all coming from when we had that problem. So we're also gonna be taking this one down too. And with both of these trees, we definitely don't want the possibility of them falling on the house in a storm. I think we got really lucky with this one, so we're just gonna take care of this now. And you can see where I am right now. The house is right here by the tree, so I definitely don't want this tree falling on that brand new roof that we put on. So let's check this out, and it's probably gonna look really different after these trees are gone, so it's gonna be weird for us to get used to it. And one more thing before we take down this tree, I don't think I've ever shown this in a video before, but this maple tree has this huge piece of metal. Dad said back when the shed was being built, it would have been a little easier to get rid of, but it just completely grew around it. A lot of these trees are along a fence line, and there's all kinds of things that were done to pass, nails and fence lines. So we're always looking out for stuff like that when we're using the sawmill. We need to start using a metal detector more often because who knows what you're gonna hit in one of these trees. But anyway, let's go check out what's going on over here. This is, I didn't even know this was a thing that people do, but he's just gonna push it over. You can see some of the damage on this hackberry. Part of the top just split off right there. This one is leaning away from the house, but it just needs to move because of the septic tank. Fire ants. All right, here we go. Here goes the...
Do we need to move those holes?
I'm ready. Are you ready?
Okay. Fire the hole.
No taproot. I didn't realize those don't have a taproot going straight down.
Look at that, half our septic tank hole is already dug.
Yeah.
See how dry it is too? All that rain?
Yeah.
It's dry.
That's great.
Literally.
I mean, it's dry.
It's all dust.
And it's been raining every day.
gonna cut the wedge, you know, and then he's gonna come start doing this back cut, straight flush with his lower cut. So when he gets to right in here, I'm gonna want to start pulling on it.
Okay.
And then he can slowly give it a little bit, and then as soon as, you know, you guys start seeing it come that way, just walk away.
Yeah.
And then I'm just gonna pull it over.
I mean, so basically the way it is right now is as I'm doing the wedge, even if we were to go too far, it can't pull really any further than stretching that line.
Yeah.
Right.
But then as soon as he cuts this, that's when it can go wherever it wants.
Yeah.
Plus we have wind pulling it back this way.
Okay.
So that's why we're changing up plans right now. Because he ain't gonna be able to watch, he's gonna be cutting.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna start pulling on it.
It's like right around here somewhere.
Yeah. As soon as he gets in this far, I'm gonna put more pressure on it. You keep watching, keep cutting a little bit, about another inch, and then I'm just gonna let her go. And then you guys scatter.
Oh, wow. Oh my gosh, I'm shaking. You cut anything like that before?
Oh yeah, it doesn't bother me to cut the tree down. It bothers me to cut the tree down.
It was leaning.
I'm not good enough for that, so I know what my limits are.
And originally Eric wanted me to drive the excavator, and in hindsight, I am glad that I didn't. I've only driven an excavator one time, so I was already nervous, but I got nervous just watching that. I was trying to get all those cameras to get the video of it, but oh, that was kind of scary. Especially because I did not want that falling on that new roof, and it would have done way more damage than that. All right, and the last one we're gonna be doing today is this hackberry. Now this was one that way back when we were starting this project, it was just completely covered in vines, and we cleared it and kind of saved it, but it has, it's seen better days. There's already huge holes in it. It's starting to rot. And so he is just going to push it over. Oh, look at this. Oh, wow. Just rip that off. And to the sawmill she goes. That was crazy. I almost didn't start all the cameras in time. Just all happened so fast. Man, Dad, I hope our bunks are strong enough. That tree looks way bigger when you see it next to the sawmill. That is huge. All right, well, it looks so different now without those trees there. It's gonna be a little weird to get used to, but it feels good knowing that we're not gonna have that risk in the future of it just falling over in the storm on top of the house. And the biggest thing, now we have space to put our septic tank, so we'll be able to do that next episode. And we also went ahead and loaded our hackberry up on the bunk of the mill, so that's ready to go, so we'll get to mill it, see what it's gonna look like inside. Looks like it has some spalting going on, so it'll probably look cool. And we're also gonna mill that maple too. That should be awesome. But that's gonna be a wrap for this video. Thank you so much to everyone that has liked the videos and subscribed. And also thank you so much to everyone that backs us over on Patreon. And we'll see you guys next time.